Venus is older than the Earth in GTSM. It has no volcanic activity. Where'd all the volcanoes go? Where are all the earthquakes? Where's all the plate tectonics? It doesn't exist on this object because it's old. It's completely solidified almost. The crust of an old star thickens as the heat escapes, and the solidification of the interior deepens. The crust gets thicker and thicker and thicker on the surface, which means as well it would block any type of heat coming in, and as it deepens, the liquid interior solidifies. The mantle does not move with a dynamic motion as Earth's mantle and core. Remember, these two objects are about the same size, so to think if one of them has a large magnetic field with lots of mantle motion against the iron core, then chances are it's very young, it's still hot in the center. But if you have no magnetic field, then there's nothing to move around in there, there's nothing to produce the magnetic field. So chances are it's way, way older than the Earth. Another reason why Venus is much older than the Earth is that it has no life.
There is a timeline in which a star can host life. There is a window of opportunity. Between the star being born and 550 million years, when it's a gas giant type radiant plasmatic object, there's no life there. It's too hot. It's still forming the beginning molecules. Between 550 million and 25 billion is the window.
That's when there's enough liquid water there. That's when the atmosphere is just thin enough, it's not too pressurized. That's when it can protect the life that does form there. And then as the magnetic field dies, the life dies. This is where Venus is. Earth is around here, Venus is around here, meaning it's much older. As well, there's no water oceans. Just like life, water oceans don't form in the very beginning. It takes a lot of time for the star to cool and die. Eventually there's a window of opportunity for water oceans. I'd give that maybe 1.5 billion years, between 3.5 to 5 billion. And then once the water oceans evaporate, just like they are in Venus, because the magnetic field dies, there's no way for life to be there. It will be a completely sterilized, inhospitable world. It's not in the beginning stages, clearly it's not a gas giant or a sun-like star, and it's about the same size as Earth, which means it was probably very, very, very much like Earth, with people just like us wandering around on the surface many, many millions of years in its past. But there's no life there now, it's a dead star basically, and we can move on.